Hi, I'm Johnny. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm an entrepreneur, and on my channel, I will be posting videos about how you can make money in your sleep through multiple income streams. How would you like to wake up every morning and have money put into your bank account for something you set up a month ago or even a year ago? Sounds great, right? You will learn how to become your own boss so you can start living the life of your dreams by developing multiple income streams that will keep paying you even when you stop working. I have over 10 income streams right now as I'm doing this video that is paying me daily, weekly, and monthly profits. I want to use my experience to show you how to do the same thing. I also show you how to invest, spend, and save your hard-earned money more wisely through realistic and effective ways. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell below so you don't miss out on all this great content coming your way. You can also comment below and introduce yourself, ask me a question, or just say hey. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out some of my other great videos. Go ahead, click one.